Hello friends. Welcome to Short Moral Tales. In the quaint town of Harmonyville, there once lay a division between two neighboring communities, the Sunflower Grove and the Moonlight Glen. For generations, the residents of both places had maintained a peaceful coexistence, but they rarely mingled, for an invisible wall of inequality separated them. The Sunflower Grove was a vibrant and bustling society, home to the wealthy and powerful, their opulent mansions casting long shadows over the small cottages of the working class. In contrast, Moonlight Glen housed the kind-hearted, hard-working folk, who struggled to make ends meet, dreaming of a better life. Amidst these disparities, two young souls were born, Seraphina from Sunflower Grove and Aiden from Moonlight Glen. As fate would have it, the two met one fateful summer day when a festival was organized in the heart of Harmonyville. As they locked eyes, an inexplicable connection bridged the gap that society had erected between them. Their friendship blossomed, and they defied the norms, meeting secretly by the old oak tree that stood right between their communities. In those precious moments, they shared stories, dreams, and discovered the stark differences in their lives. Seraphina couldn't believe the struggles Aiden faced daily, while Aiden marveled at the luxuries Seraphina was born into, something he could only imagine. One day, as the sun dipped below the horizon, the town faced a massive storm, the likes of which they had never seen before. The rain poured like tears, and the howling wind threatened to uproot some weak houses in Moonlight Glen community. Seeing the danger, Seraphina rushed out to warn Aiden and save him from the storm's wrath. Aiden saw Seraphina running towards his house, and he knew he could not let Seraphina face the danger alone. He mustered his courage and ventured out into the tempest. Together, they sought shelter under the mighty oak, shielding each other from the rain's fury. In that moment of unity, they realized that they were not so different after all, despite society's attempts to tell them otherwise. Their courage and passionate concern for one another did not go unnoticed. The senior citizens in the community witnessed the children's bond, and the storm served as a metaphorical wake-up call. Next morning, as the skies cleared, the communities gathered for a joint celebration, breaking the barriers of inequality. The once segregated town began to heal, as the Sunflower Grove shared its resources with Moonlight Glen, creating a cooperative environment that allowed for the growth and prosperity of both communities. Senior citizens began to sort their past differences and focus on the common ground they shared. Education flourished, and children from all backgrounds were given equal opportunities to learn and grow together. Empathy and understanding replaced ignorance and prejudice, and the two communities merged into one, Harmonyville truly living up to its name. As the years passed, Seraphina and Aiden became ambassadors of equality, traveling to other towns and cities to share their story. Their journey inspired many to break free from the shackles of inequality and embrace diversity and inclusion. And so, the tale of Seraphina and Aiden lived on, reminding generations to come that beneath the surface, all humans are the same, and that true harmony and prosperity can only be achieved through equality and understanding. In the end, it wasn't wealth or social status that defined a person's worth. It was the kindness, compassion, and the willingness to stand together that truly mattered. And thus, the legacy of equality continued to shape the world, one heart at a time. Thanks for watching. See you soon with a new short moral tale. Bye.